Hello boys and girls, we are in session 2 and the first thing that we are going to do today is to watch a video. You have here the link in internet. Here is the video and it's about sequencing. What is sequencing and how to put in order a story or different events. After watching the video, you are going to open your literacy notebook on page 143 and we are going to write the word and the date. Okay, here we are on page 143. Remember to write the date and the word, narrative sequencing test. As you see, you can, in the box, you can see the different sequencing words that we can use to put in order a story or a narrative test or an event. You have first at the beginning, second, next, later, then, after that, finally, or at the end. Okay. As you, if you remember the story from the previous day that you read the previous day, here you have to put the numbers in order to put the story in the right order, in the correct order. So you will number from 1 to 6 the story. Okay, if you remember, number 1 is this one. For example, number 2 is this one. So 1 and 2 and so on. What are you going to do after putting in order the pictures? You are going to write using the sequencing words in the box. This one, you are going to write the story again in simple sentences but in order. So maybe you can write in the first sentence at the beginning, because this one is number 1, at the beginning, and you describe the story or the photo. The boy is wearing a pajama in the school and the rest of the classmates are laughing. Number 2, you can write second or then, using the sequencing word. Second, in the number 2, the boy meets the president and the president invites him to go on his jet or in his plane. And then you continue writing next, for example, or later, you write the number 3. So you look for picture number 3 and you describe, or you write a sentence, a complete sentence, describing the picture number 3. So you are going to write the story again in order. And if you need some vocabulary, of course, you have the story from the previous day, so you can copy some vocabulary or sentences from here. Once you finish the story, writing the story, you review your writing, capital letter and full stop. If you want, you can color, using different colors, the story, the scenes, las escenas, the scenes in the story. Instructions, as you see in the instructions, is telling you that you send a photo of this exercise to your teachers, Gustavo or Laura. And here we